the very next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing these camshaft covers. And yesterday Jason actually did the honors and he actually removed every single bolt, right Jason? So let's see if we could actually remove them.
Alright, so that I had found one bolt that is in here.
Oh, okay Jason, you got to remove that.
You gotta remove that on the power gun.
So this is already here, and
so can I try by moving it?
So we got to find the correct socket.
That was of course correct.
So that's a correct one. Let Jason remove it because he the one that did these. I will let you remove the other ones. Jason, make sure that the tool is set perfectly.
All right, so this one.
Okay, good. So see if any other bolts are there. This was a good catch, Kevin. I can't believe you actually found that. Good job. Oh, you found another one.
Jason?
Jason, you're awesome!
Can I work?
And Kevin's awesome.
Can I work, Jason? Can I work, Jason?
Once we pull the camshafts off, Kevin, I'm going to help you to work. So, Kevin, I want you to take that box and give it to me. We're now going to use the table for other parts. Yes, it's a lot. Yeah. So Jason, any more bolts? Guys,
there's more.
Observe, make sure. Okay, let him do it. Let him do it. He's gonna finish. He's gonna finish. Gotta make sure every single bolt is out.
I got it.
That's an oil cooler. We're also gonna be taking it off. What, Kevin? You want to take it off?
Yes.
Start looking for the right tool.
Start looking for the right tool.
Kevin, I found it here. Here, Kevin, Jason, now he's gonna be using that tool. Here. You did it, Jason, give me 5. So this is oil cooler bolts. You just always have to make sure you apply a lot of pressure. Oh, I was looking for this.
All of these bolts might be useful. Sometimes people lose bolts.
Jason, I want you to take this one off.
Sometimes people lose bolts.
This one and that one. We're gonna tip the engine off over once Kevin's done. So Kevin, always apply tight pressure. If you don't, they will get slipped. Okay? Yeah, that's fine. Always put like your other hand. So they will lock good. Like take your other hand and always apply. Yeah, that's it. You're done. So like when you aim it, apply your other hand and from the top. Yeah. Okay, so looks like we're all good.
Yeah. Here you go, Jason. You can add that, but be careful.
So put that other tool in there. Did you put it already? Here, Jason, put this one on. Okay, let's observe this oil cooler. So, does this look like water to you?
This one looks
this
like...
is oil.
So, there's actually oil here and there's water. This, oil...
Oh, there's some more here.
So, there's like too much water here and there's water here. And there's water there, so it's like water's all over the place.
Yeah, this engine might have a hydro lock because of this.
Exactly, Cameron.
Because this oil cool... Maybe it's same as an Infinity. Maybe it's safe.
Infinity, that could have happened too because they have
Jason's about to take it.
Yeah, good job, Jason. So I'm gonna flip this engine over.
I'm taking this off
okay.
Right now.
Okay, take it out.
Are you okay by lifting this engine on?
Yeah, I'm okay with that. Jason, always put a tight fit. You're not putting a tight fit. And you're doing it at an angle.
Oh my gosh.
No, look, you're doing it at an angle. You have to do it like this. And you have to push on it. Okay, that's it. That one's gone. Give it to Kevin. Okay, give that to Kevin. Okay, let's lower it. So, do you see any other bolts that use the same type of thing?
There's some more here.
Oh, no. Leave those alone. Because that's a crankshaft. That's for the crankshaft pulley.
Look.
Yeah, it's over there. We're not removing that one right now. But we will later on, okay? So next we gotta do is we gotta remove.
There's oil.
This is a cap here. We don't have to remove the cap.
Now look, look. Now look.
Yeah, exactly. This engine has too much water in it.
Yeah, that's what I had. Maybe it's same as Infinity. Maybe the oil cooler. Maybe it has the same type. What's
Yeah, the water pump is actually located next to the oil crankcase. So when it leaks, it also leaks water inside. So Kevin, we gotta get some kind of tool that we could slip in between here. Something very thin. Maybe like this here.
maybe something like
There's a camshaft seal here. We need like a painter's 5-in-1 tool. Like a spatula, something very thin, like a knife. No, that's too heavy. We're just gonna try to do it with this one for now. Yeah, it's working.
I was doing correct job for like that. Oh my gosh, this is just like a little.
So we're just gonna try to do it in the corners.
Oh my gosh, there's gears and things like that
Yes,
here.
exactly. This is actually
my
called
gosh, I like.
camshafts. So,
I really want to use this. I really
well,
wanna
Kevin, this is not a toy, okay? We're not going to be using it for the machine. We're actually going to be taking this apart. That's a chain. Exactly.
It's a very shiny chain. Everything's shiny and just like watery in here.
So, looks like this is water contaminants.
Can I just try by taking the bolts off and take this?
Yes,
apart?
but not at this minute because this needs to go out perfectly. Not yet, Jason. Hold on. Look, and there's a piece of gunk in here.
Gunk in here?
Yeah.
It's like gunk.
Oh, this stuff, I'm just calling it that. All right, let's remove that out of the cover first.
Yeah, can I remove these bolts?
Yeah, we need.
Just please stand over here a little bit because you're standing too close to my hammer.
Oh, you're getting it. You're getting it, Dad.
Yes, I am. Now we're gonna get another one. Leave it in there. Leave it in here. Sometimes you have to use other tools. So it's working.
Okay.
So we're gonna